In the realm of e-commerce, ensuring customer satisfaction is paramount. A crucial aspect of achieving this satisfaction lies in efficient order fulfillment. That's where WebToffee's WooCommerce Picklists plugin comes into play. The plugin offers a variety of features that make the picking process easier. Features include automatic generation of picklists, email picklists, the addition of extra product data, multilingual support, sorting of products, grouping of products, and more. Let's dive in and explore this fantastic plugin. The WooCommerce Picklists plugin is an add-on to WebToffee's free WooCommerce PDF Invoices, packing slips, delivery notes, and shipping labels plugin. Upon installing and activating the free plugin and its pro add-on, head to Invoice/Packing from the dashboard. Then click on Picklist. The Picklist settings page will open up with a whole lot of features that you can configure. In the General section, you have the option to automatically email a picklist based on the order status and to custom email addresses. Upon selecting Custom Email, click on Update Settings, then click on the Here hyperlink and add the recipient email addresses. Here, you can select your language preference for the picklist. Under the Product Display section, you can group products within the picklist based on category and order, and even show variation data under each product. To exclude backorder and virtual items from the picklist, mark the respective checkboxes. You can also sort items in a picklist based on their name, SKU, or unit weight. Here, adding additional information becomes easier. For example, you can easily add a product meta by choosing one from the dropdown or by adding a new product meta here. Similarly, you can add a product attribute as well. Before moving any further, make sure to click the Update Settings button to save all the configurations you've made. But where can you customize the look and feel of the picklist? That's where the Customize tab comes into play. The Customize tab provides a preview of how the picklist would appear. Click here to select the picklist template. After choosing the template, you can customize it by moving to the Editor panel on the right. Using the Toggle button, you can enable or disable elements from the picklist. By clicking on the right pointing arrow of an element, you get additional customization options. For example, by clicking on the right pointing arrow of the product table, you can add additional labels, remove existing labels, rename them, and more. Use the code editor to customize the templates via code. Enter the order number and click here to view a preview of the picklist for an actual order. When done with the customizations, save it with a suitable name. If you have previously created templates, then click on Save and Activate to use this template. Furthermore, here you can view previously created templates, activate them, edit them, or even delete them. This is an illustration of a sample picklist created with WebToffee's WooCommerce Picklists plugin. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more useful content. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments section below, and for personalized assistance, reach out to our customer support team.